Welcome back, my beautiful people, to another YouTube video of mine.
Do it again.
Thanks a lot, Tesla.
Sorry.
Thanks a lot. We are surrounded by mountains, and this view is insanely beautiful. Like this is not even like all of it. We gotta like go around the block, and then you're just gonna see beautiful mountains, beautiful scenery. If you guessed it, yes, we're in Tennessee right now, Gatlinburg. Here because there's like a big car show event. We've never been to it before, so this is our first year here, and it's actually pretty bigger than we thought. But today we got, look at this special car behind me. We got the lowest static Tesla in the world right in front of you. This is like a privilege right now.
Do 100 what I'm bringing, I'm big bag. You thinking I pop tags, cleared out Neiman, got jet lag, flight from Phoenix.
How do you feel about letting me drive your car?
Oh shit, you
honest.
gotta do that. I forgot about that.
Be honest.
Honestly, you gotta be careful. It's
That's
gonna
how
be
you
pretty.
feel?
Yeah, it's gonna be pretty. It's a lot of trust I gotta put into you now.
A lot of what's it called, responsibilities.
Yeah.
You don't think I got it?
The roads are a little chopped. You look off the road for a second, you know, it might be a bump. You might. It's $20,000 battery under there. And it's low.
I think I got it. W boyfriend for letting me drive his beautiful Tesla, you know. The thing is, I'm not just gonna be driving the Tesla, I'm also gonna be taking rollers for Dante's YouTube video. We're gonna be taking rollers and driving and making sure there's no potholes on the road. So let's see how that turns out. It's not manual, so let's just get, let's go.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
My merch is now live. Make sure you guys go cop it. I'm actually wearing it right now. Fire. This is a medium right now for me, so it's kind of like flowy, big. We got the back here. 2 hearts at the bottom. 1 heart has tools because, you know, hardworking mechanics at home. We love working on our cars. The 2nd heart is my car before and after, when it used to be gray and now when it's nice and blue. It also says do your thing because I see a lot of hate in the car community. Like everyone's always telling you what to do, what not to do, what looks good, what looks bad, and honestly, do your thing. Don't worry what others have to say. It's your car, it's your build. If you want to have -5 degree camber, go ahead. If you want to have -55,000 degrees camber, go ahead as well. As long as you love it, I feel like that is all that matters. So we got Stance Equals All custom build. Lastly, my favorite part. The cross, because when you wear this, you're gonna be blessed, you're gonna be protected, and yeah. With that being said, go cop right now. Once it's sold out, it's never gonna be sold again. If you missed my last merch, don't miss this one. Super nervous because we're gonna be going through the mountains. I guess they're gonna do like a photo shoot once we get to the top of the mountain or something like that. I'm so nervous, so nervous. Just a little scrape. Dante's probably doing that review and he's probably nervous like right now. He's probably nervous because of that car and his own car, like me driving his own car.
It's gonna cost more than the book. Know that shit gonna be high. It got my name on this chronic. Driving slow now, but this car goes 0 to 60 if I punch it.
So let's just take the best rollers.
Okay.
I try to make sure it's in the frame and then pay attention to the road. Damn, that looks so good.
The roads are a little chopped. You look off the road for a second, you know, it might be a bump. You might. It's $20,000 battery under there.
Oof. This car convinces me to go like to springs because washers, it's bouncy, but like this is so smooth. I don't know if I might, you know, switch over to spring life. The washers, as you guys know, it started on my car just to test it out, just to see how it was, and then I just like left it on because it never gave me a problem. It never snapped on me and never did anything. Whew. Roads are still good. Right now it's a little bouncy. That's the sub, that's the music. Dante also has music in here and his music hits.
The streets forever have to change plans. I still do my same things. Young nigga with no regrets.
This is not even the loudest. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like a boss driving this car. I wish you guys could see what I'm doing. I'm on a mission trying to angle all these manholes and bumps on the road. I'm literally superwoman right now. Oh, it's so boring when it's not manual. I wish I could have. Nope. Just gotta put your hands here and just enjoy the ride, I guess.
Show me what you working with. Now show me what you working with. Show me what you.
For once I'm relaxed driving a slammed car, I might as well dance, do a cartwheel while I'm driving. the back road and it was pretty sketchy. It's been pretty sketchy, but I made it happen. I'm trained. I'm a trained professional. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, this looks bad. I wish I could show you guys how I'm sitting. I'm sitting so like straight up with my back, face all the way over here to make sure there's nothing on the road that surprises me later on.
Don't know what you was smoking. I can peep how niggas feel through all them stories they be posting. She fuck with the winning team, but I can't treat her like no trophy.
Day 2 of mobbing in Dante's Tesla. Let's see how it goes this time. He's doing another review and I'm gonna do rollers again for another car. Honestly, if you're not tuned into his channel, then what are you doing? The car he's driving today is so slammed. It's on the floor. This wheel is so weird. I can't like grab it from here and help me turn and stuff like that. I gotta like just move the bottom piece. I'm so focused. Okay, angle and straight. Okay. Must have been a branch.
Roads are a little chopped. You look off the road for a second, you know, might be a bump. You might, it's a $20,000 battery.
Oof, there's cops. Time to put the phone down. That would have been bad, guys. Woo! W step, honestly, W step. Where the heck are we? What the heck is Dante doing? Is he sending it up there? Oh, he's sending it up there. Okay, I guess I've got to send it now. Like, why would he bring... Okay, I'm gonna just send it. I'm just send it. Okay. Oof, I just messed up his tent. Oh my god. I hope that wasn't me. Dante, that was there already, okay? Sure. I broke the car. This is what happens when you let stuff drive the car. I'm joking, I'm joking. How's my driving, sir?
Well, my tire is bald, so I'm blaming you.
Definitely not me. Were you paying attention to me while I was driving, or were you just focused on the review videos?
I was watching you.
Oh, you were?
Yeah.
It's good driving, right? W driving? I was swerving. I was swerving all the potholes. You weren't.
Right.
You were hitting everything, and then I was like, wow. I was just joking. I did not break the Tesla. No, I'm a W driver. I would never. We're actually leaving tomorrow morning from Tennessee. Yeah, it's gonna be a long drive again. So we're putting it back to stock. We're raising it, and then once we get to Florida, of course, we're gonna lower it. You know, it's a routine now. We always do it. I hope you all enjoyed that really calm video, you know, because the Tesla drove perfectly fine. Surprisingly, it kind of convinced me to go Springs. Yeah. I might just go Springs when I get to the house. It drove really smooth. Bouncing wasn't as rough. I don't know, I'll decide later on, because of course the first thing I gotta fix is the AC. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and comment down below. Trade the Tesla for the Accord. Okay.
Huh?
Give this video a like, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Also guys, if you guys want to see the trip of Tennessee, make sure to go watch Dante's YouTube channel, because that's where it's all gonna be dropped. Because having no AC in Florida is just, it's crazy. It's not for the weak. Still driving. Tomorrow morning from Tennessee.
Bye.